If you've been dealing with knee pain and keep seeing the Stryde Knee Brace pop up everywhere claiming instant relief, medical-grade support, and even help for arthritis, meniscus injuries, and post-surgery recovery, then you definitely need to hear this before spending your money. Because when something sounds like it fixes almost every knee problem instantly, it's worth questioning what's actually going on behind the marketing. The Stryde Precision Strap is presented as a high-performance knee support device that supposedly stabilizes the joint, reduces pain, and restores mobility within minutes of wearing it. But once you look closer at the product itself, things don't really add up. The core design appears to be a basic patellar strap, the same type of simple knee support that's been around for years. Yet it is being rebranded and advertised with exaggerated claims that go far beyond what a basic brace can realistically do. The promotions show dramatic visuals and overly polished demonstrations that don't reflect how knee braces actually perform in real-world conditions, especially for chronic issues like arthritis or structural damage. On top of that, many of the performance statistics like 98% relief or clinically proven results are not backed by any verifiable clinical studies or transparent data, which makes those numbers unreliable at best. There are also concerns around the use of stock or AI-generated style imagery, along with testimonials that appear repetitive and unverified, which raises further questions about authenticity. Interestingly, similar versions of this product have appeared under different names and have been sold cheaply on wholesale platforms for just a few dollars, while being marketed at a significantly higher price to consumers. After putting all this together, the overall picture becomes pretty clear. The Stryde Knee Brace is heavily marketed with inflated claims, but the actual product itself seems far more basic than what the advertising suggests, meaning expectations should be kept realistic before considering a purchase.